I was just exhausted, and so I just decided I'd take a little nap because it seemed like a good time to take a nap. And so I laid down. I woke up to the wind rattling the windows, and that house was built pretty sturdy. You rarely heard the wind, and so I figured I better check on what's going on.
Mary says she quickly walked outside to find fire on the hill near her home, the time 5:30 p.m.
When I come down my street, Brogans Bluff, and I head towards Flying W Ranch, I see 9 fire trucks, and they are loaded with firefighters. And I thought my first instinct was, hey, fire's this way, I can see it. And my second response was, better run for your life, this isn't a normal fire.
Mary believes her street and home went up in flames just an hour later, around 6:30 p.m. Along with all her belongings, Mary also lost one of her cats in the fire.
I think people are angry that they never had the opportunity to really collect their things, that other people who tell me, yeah, we had notice and we went around and we took pictures and they were all prepared to leave.
As for why she participated in the Indies article, Mary says she's frustrated with the, quote, evacuation or lack of evacuation of the Upper Mountain Shadows area.
We just basically weren't evacuated. And to know that the north, the east, and the south all were evacuated didn't make any sense to me, that we weren't evacuated in the west, and the fire was in the west. And so when I've asked the mayor about that, he said that he was getting pressure from the neighbors. Public pressure is one thing, but public safety is really what the question is here.
Mary hopes the article leads to, quote, truth and integrity from city leaders. She says this isn't about the individual firefighters or police officers who worked tirelessly during the wildfire.
Everybody was waiting for, well, it's federal land, it's county land, state problems, coordination problems, and unfortunately, the police and the firefighters know how to save lives. I think they'd have done it totally different if they were given the opportunity to have done what they do best, saving lives.
In the end, Mary says the main focus should be on William and Barbara Everett, the couple who lost their lives in the fire.
My perspective of human life is pretty high, and it's really a crime that they're not with us.